Mr. President, sir, the present time, which is fast hurtling towards its ultimate cessation, is the bloodiest in history. We are living in the world of degraded moral values and low self-esteem. What to talk of others? People even doubt themselves. Age is just a state of mind, and you are as old as you think. Mr. President, age doesn't teach us compromise. In fact, it teaches us maturity. We can learn from our past experiences. Suffering is stronger than all of the achievement. Every fall makes us ready for the next leap. People say that the age factor holds individuals from showing their full potential. They are afraid of taking risks, but all it takes is trust and faith to succeed. The trick is growing up without growing old. Your Honor, I present to you my heroes who shattered the fake paraphernalia of human sophistication and ended the long sentence of misery. Behold, age 79, my hero, Nelson Mandela, an epitome of struggle, who fought for the rights of black and became the first black president of Africa. Age 69, my hero, Mother Teresa, an embodiment of humanity, serving mankind irrespective of caste, color, and creed. The Sikhs and the Prize. Age 77, my hero, Minoru Saito, venturing the impossible, sailing solitary, fighting the ferocious waves. Age 76, my hero, John Glenn, the fearless aviator, becomes the first American to orbit the space. Age 82, my hero, Ronald Reagan, the oldest American president in our history, to lead America towards prosperity. Age 77, my hero, Christopher Columbus, the king of classics, honored with an Oscar despite being aged. Your Honor, this is not the end. I have countless examples to show, both from past and present, where my heroes, the premier of all mortals, the microcosmos in this limitless universe, an entity beyond entities, a miracle beyond miracle, who sweat and earned the heights of glory, toiled with hands and knees, perforated the soil, counted the sprouts with his punctured hands, guarded the fruits of labor against the outrageous fortune, rejuvenated the rotten values, and carved new frontiers, built skyscraping buildings to shelter you and me, grew crops under the scorching sun to feed you and me, grew by birds, not by leaps and bounds, moved without haste, without rust, moved without haste, without rust. My Lord, man, the essence of universe, an epitome of passions par excellence. We spread and nurtured to overcome the egregious and deploy the exalted passions. But those who impress themselves against others through their forceful character, irrespective of their age, stand above the common run of man. Weakness does not exist in the dictionary of a body. They believe in initiative and action, not miracles. Their age never forced them to make compromises. For this,